NVIDIA App users only. Complete working solution, NVIDIA users only. Follow these advanced steps carefully. These directly target NVIDIA app-specific launch issues for Battlefield 6 on PC. 1. Disable NVIDIA Overlay. Open NVIDIA App. Go to Settings, In-Game Overlay, toggle off. Open quote, Battlefield 6 often fails to launch because of overlay hooks from the new NVIDIA app, replaces GeForce Experience. Close quote. 2. Clear NVIDIA shader and cache files. Press WinR, then type and open each path. You can see the code in our conversation history, delete everything inside these folders. Open quote, old shader data can corrupt after driver updates, blocking Battlefield 6 startup. Run Battlefield 6 with dedicated GPU. 1. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings. 3. Add Battlefield6.exe. 4. Set Preferred Graphics Processor, High Performance NVIDIA GPU. 5. Click Apply. Open quote, ensures the game doesn't mistakenly launch on Intel iGPU, which causes instant close. Close quote. 4. Repair game files, depending on platform, EA App, Library, Battlefield 6, Manage, Repair, Steam, Library, right-click Battlefield 6, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Open quote, fixes any missing or corrupted launch files after updates. Close quote. Side. Tar 5, Force DirectX 11 mode. Battlefield 6 sometimes crashes due to DX12 conflicts with NVIDIA's new driver stack. To fix. 1. Right-click your Battlefield 6 shortcut properties. 2. In the target field, add at the end. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example, you can see the code in our conversation history. Open quote, forces game to run with DX11 for maximum stability. Close quote. 6. Reset NVIDIA app settings. 1. Open NVIDIA app, settings, general, restore defaults. 2. Log out, log back in. 3. Reopen Battlefield 6. Open quote, resets any corrupted configuration that prevents the game from initializing. Close quote. #7, update or rollback driver. If the issue started recently, option 1, recommended in NVIDIA app drivers game ready driver, update. Option 2, rollback to a previous stable version in device manager, display adapter, NVIDIA GPU, properties, driver, rollback driver. Open quote, Battlefield 6 often fails to launch after buggy driver updates, especially 55X to XX builds. Close quote. 8, disable conflicting apps. Close these before launching. Discord Overlay, Riva Tuner, MSI Afterburner, OBS, Game Capture, NVIDIA Broadcast. Open quote, these can block DirectX calls used by Battlefield 6 on launch. Close quote. 9. Run game as administrator. Go to Game folder, right-click Battlefield6.exe, Properties, Compatibility tab, check, run this program as administrator. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Open quote, grants full system access to the game and prevents startup freeze. Close quote. #Starter 10, restart PC and launch game. Restart your PC once everything above is done. Then open NVIDIA app first, wait 10 seconds, and launch Battlefield 6 directly from its installation folder. Battlefield 6 should now launch properly. No crash, no freeze, no black screen. Extra optional fix, if still not launching. You can see the code in our conversation history. Open ProfSave profile, find, you can see the code in our conversation history. Change to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Save the file, relaunch game. Open quote, forces DX11 mode via config file, permanent fix for NVIDIA launch crash. Close quote. Final result after completing all steps, Battlefield 6 boots normally, no crash or freeze. Works perfectly on NVIDIA App 2025 RTX GPUs and Windows 10/11.